Tunisian softscape is one of the richest and most diverse of the southern Mediterranean. In our cultural heritage study, we have classified all the plants in Tunis, Kairouan and Sousse into 4 categories, which are palm, tree, shrub and ground cover. Note that some of the species are specific to the Mediterranean region, but the other species also have Asian and American origins which were introduced in the colonial period. Palm trees are one of the most significant plantings and are widely found in 3 areas of the site in Tunisia, such as in the garden and along the streets. Palm trees are valued for their ornamental, economic, and ecological value. Date palm, Phoenix dactylifera, is well known as for its edible sweet fruit. They play an important part of the economic and social lives, as Tunisia is one of the date-producing countries. Date palm trees and the traditions associated with them were added to UNESCO's list of the world as the most important intangible cultural heritage. The diversity of crops, forms and shape of tree types in Tunisia, giving it its own uniqueness in the country. Trees also serve as ornamental elements, and they have nourished and sustained life throughout human existence. In Tunisia, the climate is ideal for the cultivation of fruit trees such as citrus fruit, and not to forget olive trees, the national tree of Tunisia. The tree's trunk, leaves, fruits, and flowers give a variety of services and advantages to humans, specifically for treatment of diseases, decoration, cooking utensils, clothing and handicraft. Shrubs are one of the most significant landscape characteristics. They are used for ornamental purposes as well as on fences, sails, background planting, hedges, and other structures. They also explain why shrubs are so essential in both the ecosystem and human existence. In Tunisia, shrub components can be used for a number of purposes, including harvesting fruit, medicinal, cooking ingredients for traditional dishes, therapeutic and ornamental such as bougainvillea and jasmine. The 3 Medinas in Tunis, Kairouan and Sousse, are fully paved because of its background history where the Medinas were used for military purposes, thus it is hard to find green areas with ground cover. Moreover, most of the green areas are located outside the walls of Medinas. Nowadays, we can find green areas just near the exterior part of the Medinas. Back then, the outer part of the Medinas mainly served as agriculture activities. Recently, green areas were introduced to protect the area around the Medinas. The common species that can be found around the Medinas are Paspalum vaginatum, Pennisetum clandestinum and Stenotaphrem secundatum.